Do we start? Okay, so we've built a product over here called Caseflow. Let me just go right into it. It's secure login. We trusted Google. We didn't try to reinvent the wheel here. You can log in as an administrator, as a staff member, or a client-facing end is also there. But here I'm going to show you the staff member flow. It should... Okay, so you've got the dashboard. All of this is completely customizable. You can go to customize dashboard because I think that to make a product successful, you should give them the customizability. Over here, we're trying to build something that can be shipped out to these non-profits tomorrow itself. And it can. It's already one-click Vercel deploy ready. You can customize everything. You can customize the admin view. You can customize the staff view. You can customize the client view. Everything is completely customizable over here by one-click buttons. Along with that, we also have a fun couple of AI features. We've got the voice notes, which is multilingual. So you can record your voice note in any language and it transcribes it. You want to try it, Rishabh?
Yeah, sure.
Talk in Hindi.
मेरा नाम ऋषभ मीरा है, मैं दिल्ली में रहता हूँ एंड आई मुझे इंजीनियरिंग बहुत पसंद है.
Fire. It should work. Please work. It works. That is Rishabh. He talks in Hindi. He lives in Delhi and he loves engineering. That is multilingual support. Another multilingual feature we have here is the website can be seen in Spanish. We could have gone with more as well, but there, I don't know if you can see, but it switches right there, switches between English and Spanish. Most of it works, all of it doesn't work, but that's the time bounds of the hackathon. Give us one more day and it will all work. What else do we have over here? We have, let me try signing out. We also have a really fun semantic search. So if you look up through the case notes, fire, okay, that's not gonna work. I'm just gonna try again. Till then, you want to talk about the semantic search, Prisha?
Semantic search is different from regular search because you can search up things like housing assistance and it won't just look for those keywords, it'll look for anything that's related to housing assistance. That's basically what differentiates it from regular search.
Fire. Okay, now we've got the admin view over here. Previously, I showed you the staff view, now the admin view. You can change the UI of the platform completely. You can change the branding, you can put your own logo in, you can put your own fav icon in, because the point is to give this out to someone and they should just know how to use it. That's what I've done over here with the setup guide. The setup guide opens only to the administrator, no one else. You can change the UI, you can put your own colors there. You want to make something ugly, you can do that. It will change the colors. You have a theme prompter, an AI generated theme prompter. You give it your files, you give it your use case, you give it your problem statement or whatever your brand is working for, your nonprofit is working for. It'll build a theme around that. Another fun feature we have is the import assistant. The import assistant, what that does is you might have a certain type of file you're using right now. What this does is you put in your CSV file, it converts it to the CSV file or format that our platform uses. We've done that again with OpenAI. Similar to our voice notes feature, I would dive deep into, I'd demo all of this right now, but I do not want to miss out on time. So I'm just going to go over all our features. You want to add a new client in? You can by a number of ways. You can do it from a photo. You can add a document. You can scan a document. It picks the stuff up. It's similar to the logic in how the voice works. And you know what? Do y'all have any questions? Because we've thought of all the users who would possibly use this and what the use cases would be, and we've built it around that. So do you all have any questions?
For any AI models that you're using, right? How do you know how making sure that data doesn't go out to the public platforms?
That is a great question. How do we make sure that data doesn't go to public platform? Well, we do not know yet. It has been 2 days. It's been less than a day we're working on this. We've just built stuff. The security and reliability is a big factor. Yes, client data is important, but that I'm sure 2 more days of stuff and we can figure out a way around it. Any other use case specific, any other questions that y'all have? Greg, even you, like, because y'all work with, I don't know how people, you are going to use this platform, but it is ready to deploy, ready to go. It is fully built.
What was about audit logs, right? Like,
Yes.
different like an audit log. Can you talk about?
Yes, I can talk about the audit logs. So there are audit logs for the administrator to view over here. Anything that the client does, any changes on the website, you can view audit logs over here. You can also download your your client's template. It downloads the CSV. It downloads your service logs. If you just want to showcase to your fundraiser, you just want to put it in a presentation, you have this presentation view. It shows your top metrics, and like I mentioned before, it is all customizable. You can add your specific widgets, you can remove, you can reshape, you can resize the widgets as well, and it changes. So if I as an administrator think that I want these XYZ workers to not see my key metrics, I can do that today, already ready to deploy.
Is this mobile responsive?
The mobile responsive part we haven't done yet, but again, I'm sure it's a one day thing. Thank you.